I'm going to show you 4 different ways to control your Amazon Fire Stick. So one obvious way is with your Fire Stick remote, you can control your Fire Stick. Another way is using your TV remote to control your Fire Stick. But there's a couple things you need to have turned on to use your TV remote. On your Fire Stick, you want to go to Settings and then go to Display and Sounds. And then you want HDMI CEC device control turned on. And then on your TV, you want to have something called HDMI CEC turned on. So it might be called AnyNet depending on what type of TV you have. Your HDMI CEC might have a different name depending on which brand TV you have. I have a Samsung, so mine is AnyNet, and then you got Sharp, that's Aquos Link, and then Sony, which is Bravia Link or Bravia Sync, and then here are other brands. So just make sure that you look for these names on your TV, and then make sure your HDMI CEC is turned on. So once it's turned on, you should be able to control your Fire Stick with your TV remote. And if you have a cell phone, you can use the Fire Stick app to control the Fire Stick. Just go to the App Store and install it on your phone. In order to use the Fire Stick app, your cell phone needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire Stick. To check that, you go to Settings and then you go to Network. And then you check your network name, make sure it's connected, and then make sure your cell phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you open the app, you need to connect the app to the Fire Stick. Once it's connected to the same network, you should be able to control the Fire Stick with the Fire Stick app. You can also control your Fire Stick with a game controller. To add a game controller, first go to Settings, and then go to Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Then select Game Controllers. Then select Add New Game Controller. Then turn on your game controller. On the game controller, you want to press the Bluetooth button to put the controller in pairing mode. Your Fire Stick should detect the controller. All you do is press Select to connect the controller to the Fire Stick, and then it will show that it's pairing the controller. So once your controller is connected, you should be able to control your Fire Stick. You can use the direction pad, and then you can use the thumbstick. And you can use the other buttons to like select or go back. And those are the 4 different ways to control your Fire Stick. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also, you can click the bell icon if you want to receive notifications for future videos, and also leave a comment if you had any issues. And thanks again for watching.